there, boys and girls. Today, we are going to talk about our national heroes. But I wrote this dog poem, so I'm going to do it first. Made Happy by Blair-Robinson. Come on, do your hands like this, Captain. With it. Me happy, boy, me happy. Freedom at last. Me happy, boy, me happy. Freedom at last. Guess who no know why I'm happy? Who shoulda know why I'm happy? Jamaica gained independence August 6, 1962. That is why me so happy. Me so happy, boy, me so happy. Freedom at last. Me so happy, boy, me so happy. Freedom at last. The heroes them fight night and day. The heroes them fight night and day. They fought for our freedom. Them fight the backhammers of them just feel it. So Jamaicans, let's just unite cause we happy. Oh, me say we happy. Freedom at last. Freedom at last. Let's go. Samuel Sharp, Paul Morgan, Marcus Garvey, Norman Manley, woo, George William Garden, Sir Alexander Bustamante, not to mention the Queen Nanny. Oh, we say we happy. Oh, we happy. Freedom at last. Our 7 national heroes, 6 heroes and 1 hero. We say we happy. Boy, we happy. They fought night and day for our freedom. Back on us, I put them on the plantation. We cut cane night and day. No, Pia, but them have to work. But one day, me say them get up and say we are going to fight for our freedom. Let's march now, boys and girls. We want freedom. We want freedom. We want freedom. That's the chant in the street, night and day. We want freedom. But no, we are free because of the heroes. Mr. We happy. Boy, Mr. We happy. Freedom at last. Today we are talking about our national heroes, and we have 7 national heroes, 6 heroes and 1 heroine. A male is called a hero and the female we call them heroine. So Nanny is the heroine. See here? Nanny of the Maroon. Alright, so I'm going to sing the song for you. But before I sing the song, who is a hero? Can anyone tell me? Yes, a hero is someone who does something important or brave for his or her country or to help other people. So there are some persons in your community who are heroes. They try to save person's life. They help people around. Yes, and we call them heroes. So male heroes, females heroine. So I'm going to sing this song for you, and then we will talk about the heroes. Are you ready? There are 7 national heroes in Jamaica. There are 7 national heroes in Jamaica. There are 7 national heroes. There are 7 national heroes. There are 7 national heroes in Jamaica. There is Nanny, Sam Sharp, Paul Bogle, Marcus Garvey, Manley, and Gordon. Then came Bustamante and joined with them, and they all became the 7 national heroes. Nanny, Sam Sharp, Paul Bogle, Marcus Garvey, Norman Manley, Gordon, and then came Bustamante and joined with them, and they all became the 7 national heroes. So we love our national heroes and we salute them for their bravery because they fought for our freedom. Very good. Now we're going to go to our books and we are going to touch and name the national heroes. See you then.